Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mechanics creepers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, having the right creeper can make all the difference. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the generic 40-inch rolling garage creeper. This creeper stands out for its impressive 500-pound weight capacity, making it a heavy-duty option for those who need to handle larger jobs. The low-profile design ensures it slides easily under most vehicles, offering excellent undercarriage clearance for repairs. The build quality here is solid, featuring a sturdy frame and an ergonomic padded headrest and backrest. This design helps reduce fatigue, especially during those long repair sessions. Additionally, it comes equipped with dual tool trays, which is a great convenience for keeping your tools within easy reach. The 6 360-degree swivel casters provide smooth movement in all directions, and the oil-resistant surface makes cleanup a breeze after greasy work. However, there are a couple of drawbacks. While the weight capacity and ergonomic design are excellent, the lack of pricing information makes it difficult to evaluate its value. It's ideal for professionals who need a durable, low-profile option with great maneuverability, but without a clear price point, it might not be the first choice for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, this is a dependable option for those who prioritize strength and comfort. Coming in at number 4 is the Vevor Mechanic Creeper, a versatile 2-in-1 product that functions both as a creeper and a stool. This dual functionality makes it a fantastic option for those who need flexibility in their garage. With a 300-pound weight capacity, it can handle most users comfortably, and the padded seat and headrest provide much-needed support during long hours of work. The Vevor Creeper features 6 2.5-inch swivel casters, which offer smooth movement on various surfaces. The tubular steel frame is thick and durable, ensuring it won't bend or deform under pressure. One of its standout features is its low 3-inch ground clearance, allowing you to access tight spaces with ease. The waterproof and oil-resistant surface is another bonus, making it easy to clean after use. While it's a great value for the price, the Vevor Creeper does have some limitations. The build quality, while generally solid, may not feel as premium as higher-end models. That said, if you're looking for an affordable and versatile creeper that doesn't skimp on comfort or functionality, this is a great choice for light to medium-duty work. Taking the number 3 spot is the ProLift Mechanic Plastic Creeper, a lightweight yet sturdy option designed for durability and comfort. Made from blow-molded HDPE plastic, this creeper is impact-resistant and features an ergonomic design that supports your body while you work. The padded headrest adds an extra layer of comfort, and the dual molded-in tool trays keep your tools organized and easily accessible. With a 350-pound weight capacity, this creeper is suitable for most users. The 6 industrial-strength swivel casters are oil, chemical, and grease-resistant, making them durable and reliable for garage environments. Its 40-inch length and 19-inch width provide ample space for comfort, while the carry handle makes it easy to transport. The only downside is that it's not a 2-in-1 creeper/seat like some of the other products on this list, which may limit its versatility. However, if you're looking for a lightweight, ergonomic creeper that's easy to clean and maneuver, the ProLift Plastic Creeper is a fantastic choice for both professionals and hobbyists. If you're looking for a lightweight, ergonomic creeper that's easy to clean and maneuver, the ProLift Plastic Creeper is a fantastic choice for both professionals and hobbyists. If you're looking for a lightweight, ergonomic creeper that's easy to clean and maneuver, the ProLift Plastic Creeper is a fantastic choice for both professionals and hobbyists. If you're looking for a lightweight, ergonomic creeper that's easy to clean and maneuver, the ProLift Plastic Creeper is a fantastic choice for both professionals and hobbyists. If you're looking for a lightweight, ergonomic creeper that's easy to clean and maneuver, the ProLift Plastic Creeper is a fantastic choice for both professionals and hobbyists. At number 2, we have the DNA Motoring Tools -00184, which offers excellent value at just $39.99. This budget-friendly creeper transforms effortlessly into a seat, making it a versatile addition to your garage. The heavy-duty tubular steel frame is built to last, and the thick padded seat cushion ensures comfort during long hours of work. The DNA Motoring Creeper is equipped with 6 2-inch swivel casters that provide smooth and precise movement. It boasts a weight capacity of 330 pounds, which is impressive for its price point. The design is straightforward yet effective, making it perfect for light to medium-duty tasks. Additionally, the non-marring polyurethane wheels ensure that your garage floor stays scratch-free. While the build quality is solid, it may not feel as premium as higher-priced models. The smaller casters might also struggle on rougher surfaces. However, for its price, this creeper provides exceptional functionality and comfort. It's an ideal choice for those on a budget who still want a reliable, multifunctional tool. Finally, at number 1, we have the ProLift C2036DG, the premium choice for mechanics seeking top-tier performance. This 2-in-1 creeper easily converts into a seat, making it a versatile tool for a variety of garage tasks. With a 300-pound weight capacity and thick padded cushions, it offers unmatched comfort and support. The ProLift C2036DG features 6 swivel casters for smooth and effortless maneuverability. The vinyl padded seat and headrest are a cut above the rest, ensuring that you can work comfortably for extended periods. The retractable pin mechanism allows you to switch between creeper and seat modes quickly and securely. While it's the most expensive product on this list at $79.99, its durability, build quality, and comfort justify the price. This creeper is perfect for professionals who demand reliability and convenience in their tools. The only downside is the slightly higher cost, but if you're looking for the best overall performance, the ProLift C2036DG is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.